guys, welcome back to my video. In this video, you will learn how to ask a question about the name and how to answer such a question. So, let's start now. So, this is a dialogue about me and my brother Rice. So, let's start now. Rice, what is your full name? What is your full name? Risha. My full name is Raji Sultan Risha. My full name is Raji Sultan Risha. Right. And what is your first name? And what is your first name? Risha. My first name is Rajia. My first name is Rajia. Right. And what is your last name? What is your last name? Risha. It is Risha. It is Risha. Good job. Notice that in every English conversation, we often say what instead of what is. Okay, now we have done the video, so bye friends, see you in the next video.